Connect the refrigerator power cord plug to the power source socket and double-check all the system's visible connections done. Check whether the door is securely closed and then switch on the power on-off switch to start the refrigerator and its compressor. Confirm refrigerator is operational by checking compressor green light and temperature in temperature display. Once the refrigerator is installed, it takes 2 to 3 days to reach a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Once the refrigerator reaches the desired temperature range, user can start storing vaccines or blood bags. User should monitor the refrigerator temperature to check the performance of refrigerator, and in case of abnormal temperature rise, they should immediately inform authorized service center. User should avoid prolonged opening of doors as it may increase the temperature of the refrigerator and formation of condensation in the refrigerator. In humid conditions, condensation will form on the inside of the compartment, so user must wipe all the compartment surface, door seals and wire shelves with dry cloth to remove water droplets.